Click on the link below to get price. The Abestorm 190 PPD Commercial Dehumidifier is an impressive powerhouse designed for large spaces, making it an ideal choice for contractors, industrial facilities, or anyone needing effective moisture control. With a moisture removal capacity of 190 pints per day, this unit excels in environments where humidity control is crucial, such as flood restoration sites, warehouses, and basements. One of the standout features of the Abestorm 190 is its integrated pump, which allows for continuous drainage. This is a significant advantage, as it eliminates the need for frequent emptying of the water tank, especially in high humidity situations. The included drain hose is robust and easy to connect, ensuring that the water is disposed of efficiently without creating a mess. The unit also has a large water tank as a backup, which is a thoughtful inclusion in case of a power outage or pump failure. The design is rugged, built to withstand the demands of commercial use while remaining portable. Equipped with heavy-duty wheels and a sturdy handle, moving the dehumidifier between locations is surprisingly simple. Additionally, its compact design allows it to fit into tighter spaces without compromising on performance. Another noteworthy aspect is its user-friendly interface. The digital control panel is intuitive, featuring adjustable humidity settings and a built-in hygrometer that displays real-time humidity levels. This level of control ensures that you can maintain optimal conditions, which is critical when preventing mold and mildew growth. In terms of energy efficiency, the Abestorm 190 performs admirably. Despite its powerful extraction capacity, it operates quietly and consumes energy efficiently, making it a practical choice for extended use. Overall, the Abestorm 190 PPD Commercial Dehumidifier is an outstanding investment for anyone dealing with moisture issues in large spaces. Its combination of powerful performance, user-friendly features, and reliable construction makes it a top contender in the market for commercial dehumidifiers. Whether you're managing a construction site or maintaining a warehouse, this unit delivers where it matters most.